Ready to unlock the full potential of Aisensy and build truly custom workflows for your business. Today, we're diving into how to connect to the Aisensy API, allowing you to create powerful integrations tailored exactly to your needs. First, you will need to log into your Aisensy account. Then, navigate to your profile or settings section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen or in the left-hand navigation menu. Look for a section labeled API Keys, API Access, or something similar here. You'll find the tools you need to generate your unique API key. Click on the button to create a new API key. You'll likely need to give it a descriptive name so you can remember what it's used for, such as CRM integration or analytics dashboard. Once generated, your API key will be displayed. Treat this key like a password and keep it safe and secure. Do not share it publicly or commit it to public repositories. With your API key in hand, head over to the Aisensy API documentation. This invaluable resource contains all the information you need to understand how to make requests and interact with the API. Now you can use the API key with the provided documentation to integrate Aisensy with CRMs, automate marketing campaigns, create custom analytics dashboards, and so much more. Congratulations! You've successfully connected to the Aisensy API, opening up a world of possibilities for advanced automation and custom integrations.